today we're going to be playing Survive in this totally weird building, so let's get in there.
I'm dead. Hey, what the hell is this bottle doing here?
Okay, let's throw the stuff away.
Do we need our swords?
There, I'm sorry to make you upset.
Great, man. I don't know.
Oh, you forgot all your stuff. You put it all in. even though I don't have all that.
Oh, damn. Oh, yeah, I do. I have. Do we need swords?
No, not really.
Oh, well, what can we do? Got armor. Die, man. Die. You don't really help with that, with the armor.
Okay. I don't know what meant. Keep on fighting them.
Die.
You keep on giving me all your arrows.
Oh, crap.
Thanks for all the arrows. I've got 64 and 22 now. Okay, sword back.
I don't have one. I don't have no swords.
Haha. Oh well, I can kill you then.
Kill me.
Aw, let it kill you. Come on, let it kill you. Oh my god.
Die.
Oh, I've got my sword's better. And I'll destroy you. I will destroy you.
No.
Okay, I'll try not to. And what's up here? Oh, it's just like a camp out place where no one can find us. So
I think we need to take our armor off.
Nah, no, because you're settings.
Woo! Ah, get back here, you little.
No, you fuck off. Fuck off, you maniac. Haha. You can't find me, na. Oh yeah, you can.
Die!
Hello! Run for your life! Run! Haha.
Thank you.
I'm getting out of here.
Hello! No! Don't get out of here! Run!
Run for your life, it's a madman! It's a madman! Run!
Come back here!
Come away from madman! Run away!
Come back to me. Seriously, I'll kill you if you don't come back here.
Good luck. I'm just going through my secret room. Oh damn, it didn't work. Oh well, I'll go to my own secret room, which I do not know where it is. Oh, piggies!
Destroy!
Don't kill my piggies.
I knew. Die!
Ooh, run.
Ah! Oh, you attacked me. Oh no, you attacked a human.
Ah, you're letting me get away.
Get out now! I ain't got no sword.
You wore it off.
I still have one ball left.
You missed.
Come back here, boy. Oh no, wrong place.
Oh damn, I'm into it.
Die!
It's a man! Run for your life, isn't. Oh, do this trick.
You're not doing well.
No, just me.
Whee! Hello.
You can cannot catch me. Oops. Oops, oops. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Oh no. Oh, I'm nearly there at the trap room.
No! Come here, you little bitch.
No, trust me, you won't be able to get me. You don't know. Oh, damn. Oh, I'm not the wrong one. Oh, well. Let's see if you can survive the obstacle course.
Come on.
That's right.
Woo!
Bit cute, Oh, I'm doing my trick. Run for chest! You will not catch me now. Oh no. Won't let me get in. Damn. Oh well, I'll do it in this one. Haha, you can't get me.
Hello!
Oh my god! I didn't know.
Dad! I can't shoot my weapon. I'm stuck! I have now become the chest man.
Oh my god!
Hi! How you doing?
Well, that was goofy.
Help me over to here! I have no weapon!
Oh. You'll have to destroy a brick to be able to get back out.
You!
And then place it.
I can't move.
Oh my god, Leo. Oh, you destroyed the car!
What did it say?
No, the other car! Place the other car. Get it back.
If you get out of my fucking way.
Get in it! Get it back in! Thank you! Now I can replace the stuff.
There you go, it's now.
Whoops. Move. Place the... get another brick or something. Yeah? And then...
Just get rid of this one.
No, oh yeah, good idea. How stupid of me. Then
Yeah, you stupid.
where's the other chest?
You got it.
No, I haven't. Oh yeah, I have.
Duh.
I'm looking at your screen, so shut me up. There, we're back. Oh, let me see if I can survive for the rest of this night.
No, and no zombies will come out.
No, trust me, I've already got a plan. Look at you.
Is he better than him? Oh yeah.
Yeah. I just went in the one door or hidden. Oh, I can't see that.
Hi!
Thank you, Eugene. Place it.
I ain't got it, you got it.
Oh yeah.
These are glasses.
Oh wait, I don't have it. Thanks for the block. Okay. Let's get... What should we do now? The obstacle course or into the nether?
Into never.
Okay.
No, actually I don't have no...
Don't need any weapons. Let's get in this stupid goddamn map. There we go. Going in. We're entering the nether. I'm in the nether. It's a bit boring, I'm in the nether. Here, it's all flat. Run away! It's gonna catch me! Hi, bye. I'm getting out of this stupid goddamn place. Come on, get in. Yeah, I'm getting out of it. I'm going around dirty on it. Okay guys, we're going to finish this video with the mini obstacle course what I'm going to upload later on. So off we go.
crap.
Oh damn, he's burning to death. And I survived. Okay, can he make it? Oh, he's lost half of his health. Oh my god. Can he survive? Oh, he fell into the lava. Oh, he survived.
Woohoo!
Okay guys,
I
that's
survived!
the end of the video guys. So, see you